Collecting data is only the beginning. To create value, data must go through a complete life cycle, from ingestion to analysis and final use. Modern big data systems, especially those built on Hadoop, follow a structured process to manage and analyze data efficiently. Welcome to Lecture 4. In this lecture, you will learn the big data life cycle, key stages in Hadoop-based systems, tools used at each stage, real-world applications. What is the big data life cycle? The big data life cycle describes the stages through which data passes, from collection to final usage. It ensures that data is properly stored, efficiently processed, effectively analyzed, easily accessed. Stage 1. Data ingestion. The first stage is ingestion. In this stage, data is collected and transferred into the system. Data can come from multiple sources: databases, sensors, applications, local files. Tools used: Scoop transfers data from relational databases to Hadoop. Flume transfers streaming or event-based data. Example: a company collects customer transaction data from its database into a Hadoop system. Stage 2. Data storage and processing. After ingestion, data is stored and processed. Storage. HDFS stores data across distributed systems. HBase stores NoSQL data. For large-scale applications. Processing. MapReduce processes data in batches. Spark processes data faster using memory. Example: a social media platform stores user data and processes it to identify trends. Stage 3. Data analysis. In this stage, data is analyzed to extract insights. Tools used: Pigt processes and transforms data. Hive performs SQL-like queries. Impala fast query processing. How it works: data is transformed. Patterns are identified. Insights are generated. Example: a business analyzes sales data to identify customer preferences and improve marketing strategies. Stage 4. Data access and visualization. The final stage is accessing and visualizing the results. Tools used: Hume user interface for data interaction. Cloudera search, data exploration and search. In this stage, users interact with data through dashboards, reports, or applications. Example: managers view dashboards to monitor business performance and make decisions. Summary of the big data life cycle. The process includes 4 main stages: ingestion, collect data; storage and processing, store and compute; analysis, extract insights; access, visualize and use data. Each stage plays a critical role in transforming raw data into value. Real-world case study: smart agriculture. A smart farming system follows this life cycle. Ingestion. Sensors collect soil and weather data. Storage and processing. Data is stored in distributed systems and processed for patterns. Analysis. Data is analyzed to determine optimal irrigation and fertilization. Access. Farmers receive insights through dashboards or mobile apps. This improves productivity and reduces resource waste. Importance of the big data life cycle. Understanding this life cycle helps you manage large-scale data systems, understand how data flows in organizations, apply data-driven solutions, improve decision-making processes. Conclusion of Chapter 2. In this chapter, we have covered data science fundamentals, data versus information, data processing cycle, data types and representation, data value chain, big data and its characteristics, cluster computing, Hadoop ecosystem, big data life cycle. These concepts form the foundation of modern data-driven technologies. Final thought: data is not valuable on its own. Its true value comes from how it is processed, analyzed, and applied. In the next chapter, we will explore more advanced concepts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.